In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off grid in Figma Hide, remove layout grids. If you've ever needed a cleaner canvas to present or to fine-tune details without visual distractions, turning off layout grids can make a big difference. I'll walk you through the fastest ways to hide grids, how to toggle visibility for specific frames, and how to remove a grid entirely if you no longer need it. Start by opening your design in Figma and selecting the frame or component you are working on. This matters because the layout grid options appear in the right hand design panel when a frame is selected. If you don't see the layout grid section, double check that you've clicked a frame rather than a group or an individual layer. For the quickest approach, use the keyboard shortcut. Press Shift+G. This toggles the visibility of all layout grids across the file. It's perfect when you are presenting or reviewing and just want every grid out of the way instantly. Press the same keys again to bring them back. Remember, this is a visibility toggle, only your grids aren't deleted. They're simply hidden. If you want more granular control on a single frame, use the eye icon in the design panel. With your frame selected, look for the layout grid section on the right. Hover over it and click the eye icon to hide or show the grid for that selected frame. This is ideal when you are focusing on one area of your design but still want grids visible elsewhere. It's non-destructive, so you can toggle it on and off as needed without changing any grid settings. When you are sure a grid isn't needed on a frame anymore, you can remove it. In that same layout grid section, click the minus icon next to the grid definition. This deletes the grid from the frame entirely, which helps keep your file tidy and avoids confusion later. Unlike toggling visibility, removal is a structural change to that frame, so use it when you are confident you won't need that grid setup. Lastly, you can use the menu if you prefer clicking over shortcuts. Go to the main menu, open View, and uncheck Layout Grids. This acts as a global visibility toggle similar to Shift+G. Handy when you forget the shortcut or want a clear mouse, first workflow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.